Bike Blaze Pro welcomes viewers to a detailed exploration of the 2026 Honda CB1000 GT, Honda's newest grand touring machine built to combine sport bike DNA with long-distance capability. This motorcycle represents Honda's commitment to evolving the sport touring category by offering riders a strong mix of performance, comfort, and modern technology. The CB1000 GT stands at the top of Honda's touring lineup, appealing to riders who want a premium, refined, and powerful machine for multi-day trips, highway travel, and enjoyable weekend rides. Bold new design philosophy. The 2026 Honda CB1000 GT embodies a fresh design philosophy that blends sportiness with aerodynamic comfort. Honda has created a visually striking motorcycle that immediately captures attention with its full fairing, smooth contours, and functional touring elements. The fairing is designed to optimize airflow, reduce turbulence, and deliver a quieter, more comfortable experience at high speeds. The dual LED headlight assembly gives the motorcycle an aggressive yet elegant look, enhancing front-end stability and improving nighttime visibility. The GT also features sleek integrated turn signals, a sharp tail section, and refined bodywork that communicates both strength and sophistication. Honda offers the CB1000 GT in several premium color options: matte titanium black, midnight sapphire metallic, and crimson red touring edition, each emphasizing the bike's premium aesthetic and long-distance character. Aerodynamics and wind protection. Touring motorcycles require exceptional wind protection, and the CB1000 GT delivers exactly that. The tall, electronically adjustable windscreen provides adjustable airflow control, allowing riders to fine-tune the wind blast depending on weather conditions, speed, or personal preference. Whether riding through open highways or winding mountain roads, the adjustable screen ensures comfort during prolonged travel. Wind deflectors are integrated into the fairing to reduce pressure on the rider's shoulders and chest. This improved aerodynamics minimize fatigue on long journeys, making the GT more comfortable for hours of continuous riding. Powering the ride inline, for excellence at the heart of the 2026 Honda CB1000 GT lies Honda's legendary 998cc inline-4 engine tuned specifically for grand touring performance. Instead of chasing peak horsepower like pure sport models, Honda engineers focused on enhancing mid-range torque, ensuring smooth, responsive acceleration for overtaking hill climbs, and fully loaded riding. The ride-by-wire throttle system improves fuel precision, enhances throttle sensitivity, and eliminates jerky response in low RPM situations. This optimization makes the motorcycle ideal for both cruising and spirited riding. The updated internal components reduce vibration and mechanical noise, contributing to a more refined overall riding feel. With a robust power band and improved heat management, the CB1000 GT offers dependable performance across long distances. Transmission and touring-friendly tuning. The 6-speed transmission features revised gear ratios for smoother shifts and better long-distance usability. Honda's assist and slipper clutch ensures easier clutch action, reducing rider fatigue during city riding or slow-speed maneuvers. The slipper function stabilizes the rear wheel during aggressive downshifts, providing enhanced confidence on winding roads and steep descents. Honda has also optimized the fuel mapping for better efficiency, giving riders extended cruising range, an essential trait for a touring-focused machine. Suspension and handling stability. Handling is one of the strongest qualities of the CB1000 GT. Honda's engineers have combined sport bike agility with touring stability, resulting in a motorcycle that feels planted yet responsive. Suspension. The front suspension features a fully adjustable inverted fork, allowing riders to match the setup to their riding style or accommodate different luggage loads. The rear monoshock is also adjustable and tuned to deliver a smooth, controlled ride over varying road surfaces. Chassis stability. The reinforced frame enhances rigidity while keeping the overall weight balanced. This design ensures that even at high speeds with full luggage and a passenger, the motorcycle remains stable and predictable. Tires. Touring-specific radial tires provide excellent durability, grip, and wet weather handling, making the CB1000 GT a dependable choice for cross-country travel. Advanced electronics package. Honda equips the CB1000 GT with an advanced electronics suite designed to enhance rider safety, comfort, and customization. Ride modes. The motorcycle offers multiple ride modes, including Tour mode, balanced performance for long-distance riding. Sport mode, sharper throttle response, and dynamic handling. Rain mode, reduced power delivery for slippery surfaces. Custom mode. Rider configured settings for throttle, Traction control, an engine braking traction control, a multi-level traction control system ensures stability under varying grip conditions, allowing riders to confidently navigate wet roads or uneven terrain. Cornering ABS. The advanced ABS system provides optimal braking even while leaned into corners, improving safety during sudden stops or emergency situations. Cruise control, perfect for highway touring. Cruise control reduces fatigue and maintains steady speed effortlessly. Connectivity. The large TFT display supports smartphone connection for navigation, incoming call alerts, music management, and ride data tracking. Switchgear is designed for glove-friendly operation. Optional electronic suspension. Riders can upgrade to electronic suspension for real-time damping adjustments, ensuring maximum comfort on varying road types. Comfort-centric ergonomics. The 2026 Honda CB1000 GT prioritizes long-distance comfort with a well-designed ergonomic layout. The upright seating position reduces strain on the back and shoulders, making long rides significantly more relaxing. Handlebars are positioned for natural wrist alignment, and the spacious foot peg arrangement ensures reduced knee fatigue. Rider seat. The seat uses premium multi-density foam, providing all-day comfort without pressure hotspots. It is wide, supportive, and carefully designed for extended tours. Passenger comfort. The passenger seat is equally spacious, with ergonomic grab rails that make two-up touring enjoyable. Optional heated seats further enhance comfort in colder climates. Wind protection. Combined with the adjustable windscreen, the fairing ensures excellent wind deflection for both rider and passenger. Touring practicality and storage solutions. As a grand tourer, the CB1000 GT must offer practical storage and touring functionality, and Honda delivers. Pannier integration. The motorcycle comes with factory-integrated mounts for hard panniers. These mounts keep the bike's lines sleek and ensure secure attachment without compromising balance. Top box compatibility. Riders can add an optional top box for additional storage. The top box can also feature a built-in backrest for enhanced passenger comfort. Fuel tank and range. The fuel tank offers long-range capability, allowing riders to travel extended distances between refueling stops. Ideal for cross-country rides. Charging and utility. Multiple USB ports, a 12V socket, and convenient storage pockets help keep devices charged and essentials within reach. Technology and rider assistance. Honda adds several thoughtful features to elevate the touring experience. Keyless ignition for convenience, self-canceling indicators, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, hill start assist, ambient light sensors for automatic screen brightness, emergency stop signal for enhanced braking visibility. These technologies contribute to a safer, more convenient riding experience, especially during night rides or unfamiliar roads. Who is the 2026 Honda CB1000 GT for? The CB1000 GT is built for riders who want a powerful motorcycle capable of long-distance touring, a refined ride enriched with modern electronics, comfortable ergonomics for daily use and extended travel. The reliability. Honda is known for a machine that balances performance and practicality. It appeals to solo tourers, couples who enjoy multi-day road trips, and riders looking to upgrade from mid-weight touring bikes to a more premium long-distance machine. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CB1000 GT stands out as a premium, versatile, and highly capable grand touring motorcycle. Honda has blended sport bike performance, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising comfort into a machine that feels modern, reliable, and exceptionally well-balanced. From its aerodynamic design and powerful inline-4 engine to its advanced electronics and rider-focused ergonomics, the CB1000 GT is built for riders who seek both adventure and refinement. Whether used for weekend escapes, multi-state road trips, or daily cruising, this motorcycle delivers a complete touring experience that combines power, luxury, and Honda's hallmark dependability. Bike Blaze Pro concludes that the 2026 Honda CB1000 GT is a standout option for riders who want a modern touring motorcycle capable of handling every journey with confidence and comfort.